Hi guys, welcome back. We're making fruit salad. Guys, now we're gonna start with the orange. Just like that. Did I do it good? Guys, we're done with the tomato. Now we do the strawberry. We're done with the orange. Now we do that strawberry. Finally, I got it correctly. Next to each other? I can't. It's too much for me. Is that good? What? Kiwi. That's a lot of kiwi. Mango. I just did a quick mistake. One, yes, on top of it. And we just finished bananas. A little bit more. Apple. Move it, please. Move anything. Avocado. Avocado's back, finally, from a long time. Guys, peach. I don't want to mess up. Nope. I don't want to mess up pineapple and peach. So peach, come on. Oh, is that okay? They're all gone. Oh, this is gonna be funny. Okay, can I do that? Am I doing it correctly?
Can I help?
Yep. Hard work for mixing. What? Oh, mix it. Come on, get out. Mix again. Honey, this is our last time. Honey, show them. Okay, my turn. No more? We need to do it back and forth. Now straight lines. We don't want to waste the money. Guys, we did it straight lines. Look at the colors mixed. Well, I want to check if we are filming or not. Because last time we messed up everything because we're not filming. We are filming. I make sure hazelnut in the middle. Guys, that did not take much of a video.